Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. So today's video I will tell you how to restore Instagram post after 30 days. Is it possible or not? I will tell you. So for some users this trick applicable, or for some this trick will not appear. So I will tell you step by step. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. Let's start this video. To fix this problem, what you need to do I will tell you in this video. First of all, open your Instagram app here. So I'm here opening my Instagram account. So in the profile section you can see the option of different types of option. Here is option of your activity. You need to simply click on this option. Whenever I click on this option, a new page will appear here and multiple types of option came out here. So here option is came out of recently deleted. You need to just click on this option. So let's simply click on this option, and here the post I have deleted came out. We need to select that post which you want to repost or recover. So simply click on this post. After clicking on this post shown here, we need to click on the three dots shown here. Whenever I click on the three dots, there is option of delete or restore. So if you want to restore or upload it back, simply click on the restore option. After clicking on the restore option, there is option shown here to restore post or cancel. You need to click on the restore option. Simply click on it, and after clicking on this, a new page will appear. It will take some time. You just need to wait. And now you can see that in the profile section your post will be reposted. So in this way you can repost any post that you have been deleted in your Instagram ID. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel.